How to remove Samsung free app on Samsung phone. Hey everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove or disable the Samsung free app on your Samsung phone. So if you're tired of seeing news and articles every time you swipe left on your home screen, follow along step by step to turn it off for good. Alright, let's get started. First, let's remove Samsung Free from the home screen. Long press anywhere on a blank space on your home screen. Now swipe over to the left panel. This is where Samsung Free usually appears. At the top or bottom, you'll see an option called Media Page. Simply toggle it off. Now when you swipe left, you won't see Samsung Free anymore. But if you want to take it a step further and completely disable it, here's how to disable or force stop the Samsung Free app. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap the search icon at the top and type in Samsung Free. Once you find it, tap on it, then tap Force Stop, and confirm by tapping OK. Next, tap on Storage, then hit Clear Data and confirm with Delete. This will completely stop Samsung Free from running and clear out any leftover files. And that's it. Whether you just wanted it off your home screen or fully gone from your phone, you're all set.